The Finnish oil refiner Neste spent over €1 billion on expanding this refinery in Singapore to increase production capacity into renewable products such as biodiesel. When it is fully operational, the company says it will be the largest sustainable aviation fuel production plant in the world. The expansion will allow you to start producing sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, here at the Singapore refinery. Just how lucrative is SAF compared to, say, renewable diesel?
It is indeed true. We are creating here the optionality to produce up to 1 million tonnes of sustainable aviation fuel. So it is the world's largest SAF facility. We do see interest in low carbon solutions also in the aviation industry. It's been a segment where so far the available capacity has been quite limited. It is now really through these type of projects that we are creating that capability to also serve this growing market.
What sort of interest are you seeing from airlines here in the region in using the sustainable aviation fuel that you're producing?
In general, the aviation industry has committed to carbon neutral growth. So there is an interest in different solutions how to do that. We have seen also here in Asia a lot of interest. We have made test flights. We have created, let's say, supplies to a number of important airports in the region, Singapore being one of them, but also in Japan, in Malaysia, in New Zealand as an example.
Are you talking to any airlines that are close to signing a contract to buy your aviation fuel?
Well, we have over the last years actually worked extensively globally also with airlines to test the product, to create the supply chains to important airports. Here in the Asian region, for example, Singapore is important with Singapore Airlines. We have also made test flights and supplied product to Japan, to New Zealand, Malaysia as examples.
So apart from Finland, Netherlands, Singapore is the only production facility you have here in Asia. Any plans to set up production elsewhere here in the region?
Well, Singapore is an important hub for us, and we are now with this large growth project expanding our capacity and our capabilities here in Singapore. We are in parallel actually working on a partnership in the United States. So we are opening a joint operation during this year in California. And also we are expanding our Rotterdam facility. So it's really a global footprint that we are working on as Neste.